Good morning, all of you. Now, today I am going to start a new topic from Unit 3rd, A part Structures of Hemoglobin. Here we see that structures of immunoglobins. तो पहले हम ये समझेंगे कि टाइप्स ऑफ इम्यूनोग्लोबिन्स कितने हैं और इनकी डेफिनेशंस क्या है. तो in 1962 पोर्टर proposed structures of immunoglobulin. Immunoglobulin is also known as antibodies. ठीक है, हम एंटीबॉडीज़ भी कह सकते हैं और एंटीबॉडीज़ को हम एब्रीविएशन ABS से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. तो एंटीबॉडीज़ क्या होती हैं? These are proteins which produce in response to the entry of an antigens. They are four different varieties of plasma proteins such as albumin, globulins, prothrombin, fibrinogen. तो जो ग्लोबुल्स है these are three types: alpha globulins, beta globulins and gamma globulins. Antibodies are belong to gamma globulins since they play their role in immunity, so called immunoglobulin. Okay. Now, immunoglobulins structures and functions. Definitions: glycoprotein molecules that are produced by plasma cells in response to an immunogens and which function as a antibodies. Okay. तो एंटीबॉडीज़ क्या होती है? अभी आपको हमने क्लियर किया कि दीज आर द प्रोटीन्स विच प्रोड्यूस इन रिस्पॉन्स टू द एंट्री ऑफ एन एंटीजेंस. कोई भी एंटीजेंस जब हमारी बॉडी में इंट्रोड्यूस होता है तब ये एंटीबॉडीज़ क्या करती हैं, उसके अगेंस्ट अपना रिस्पॉन्स शो करती हैं. ठीक है. तो जो ये 4 डिफरेंट प्लाज्मा प्रोटीन्स हैं जैसे एल्बुमिन है, ग्लोबुलिन है, प्रोथ्रोम्बिन है, फाइब्रिनोजेंस हैं. ठीक है. You can see a graph between amount of protein and mobility, albumin, globulin, and you can see immune serum and antigen absorbed serum. Okay. Globulins are of 3 types: alpha, beta and gamma. In next slide, जनरल फंक्शंस ऑफ इम्यूनोग्लोबुलिन्स. इम्यूनोग्लोबुलिन्स के फंक्शंस क्या हैं? तो एज वी नो दैट एंटीजेंस बाइंडिंग कैन रिजल्ट इन प्रोटेक्शंस, बैलेंसेस. इफेक्टर फंक्शंस यूजुअली रिक्वायर्ड एंटीजेंस बाइंडिंग. फिक्सेशन ऑफ complement बाइंडिंग टू वेरियस सेल. बेसिक immunoglobulins structures: immunoglobulins heterogeneous and myeloma proteins homogeneous immunoglobulins. Now, immunoglobulin structures. As we know that antibodies contains 4 polypeptide chains. Antibodies containing 4 polypeptide chains, 2 heavy chains and 2 light chains. These 2 light chains having low molecular weight and heavy chains having high molecular weight. 2 heavy chains each have 450 amino acids and 2 light chains having 220 amino acid. You can see here in shape of Y structures heavy and light chains and disulfide bonds, interchains and intrachains. You can see in structures, this structure is in a horizontal way. यदि ये वर्टिकल होता तो आपको बिल्कुल वाई शेप में दिखता. ठीक है. यू कैन सी हियर VH. H फॉर हैवी चेन. H रिप्रेजेंट क्या कर रहा है? हैवी चेन. V फॉर वेरिएबल्स रीजन. देयर इज H1, CH1. constant region, C for constant region. Variables of light chains, you can say VL, V for variables, L for light, C for constant, L for light chain. Okay, now you can see disulfide bonds in between VL में ये जो आपको रेड मार्क दिख रहा है ये डाइसल्फाइड बॉन्ड से कनेक्टेड होते हैं। तो जहाँ जहाँ पे आपको ये रेड दिख रहा है लाइन, ये क्या करता है, रिप्रेजेंट क्या कर रहा है, सल्फाइड बॉन्ड। नाउ यू कैन सी हियर इज द कार्बोहाइड्रेट। दिस रीजन इज नोन एज ए hinge region. Hinge region provides flexibility. Okay, this is the basic structures of immunoglobulin. Now variables and constant regions, you can see here VL and CL. V domains are VL and CL. V for variable, C for constant. VH and CH and minus CB and oligosaccharides, and there is a disulfide bonds, carbohydrate, hinge region. These are the terms. Now यदि types of structures of immunoglobulins की बात करें तो these are 5 types: immunoglobulin G, immunoglobulin A, immunoglobulin M, immunoglobulin E and immunoglobulin D. These are 4 types. Now see one by one IG molecules. Now used with a permission from Dr. Mike Clark and Immunology Division, Department of Pathology, Cambridge University, Cambridge, England. IG मॉलिक्यूल्स का स्ट्रक्चर आप देख सकते हो, जो साइंटिस्ट ने काम किया इस पे, माइक क्लार्क। एंड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द वेरिएबल रीजन्स, हाइपर वेरिएबल्स और complementarity determining regions, variability index and amino acid residue is given there, framework regions. Now there is a 5 region or FC region. Base, you can see structures of immunoglobulins. यदि हम बेस की बात करें जो नीचे है, that is also called stem region. That position is called FC. That position is called FC. Effector functions and antigen binding site is called FAB. You can see FAB. This region is called FAB. तो FAB क्या करता है, एक एंटीजन बाइंडिंग साइट है, वैलेंसी स्पेसिफिसिटी डिटरमाइंड बाय VH and VL. FC has effectors functions. Now you can see here at terminal AG is binding site. Both are. This site is antigen binding sites. Antigens are bind from these top sites. Okay. Now binding to FC receptors, you can see here complement binding sites and placental transfers. This region is called hinge region, and this part is associated with carbohydrate chain, and carbohydrate chain is associated with heavy chain. Okay. Now Fab means antigen binding site. FC effectors functions, you can see here in diagram. Human immunoglobulins classes. Just I have explained you that these are 5 types: IgG, IgM, IgA, IgD, and IgE. IgG gamma heavy chains, Mu heavy chains, A is alpha heavy chains, D for delta heavy chains, and E for epsilon heavy chains. You can see the full form also here. What do you mean by IgG, IgM, IgA? This is given here. Now, human immunoglobulin subclasses. There are some classes of these immunoglobulins such as IgG subclasses, Ig first, Ig second, third, and Ig fourth. Okay, Ig subclasses: IgA1, IgA2, also called alpha 1 heavy chains, alpha 2 heavy chains. Human immunoglobulins type, light chain types. Sorry, light chains. Light chains, 2 types of light chains. As we know that 4 polypeptide chains, in which 2 heavy chains and 2 light chains. 2 heavy chains having 8 types, and 2 light chains having 2 types of light chains. First one is lambda and kappa. Okay, these are kappa and lambda. Now, human immunoglobulin light chain subtypes: lambda light chains, lambda first, lambda second, lambda third, and lambda fourth. These are the subclasses. Nomenclature: IgM is kappa, IgA1 lambda 2, IgE, and then heterogeneity. Structures and some monomers are given here for IgG. Ig1, Ig2, and Ig4. Then IgG3 monomers are 75. Properties: measure serum immunoglobulin in systematic community, measure Ig in extravascular species, placental transfer does not require Ag binding, and fixed complement bind to Fc receptors, and phagocytes, opsonizations, and cases ADCC. Now, structures of IgM. You can see here J chains and C microphore. Structures is plantamer, extradomain, and J chains. These are structures of IgM. Now, properties: third highest serum Ig, first Ig made by fetus and B cells, and fixes complement. Fixation of C1 by IgG and IgM antibodies. ABS represent antibodies. Now you can see here no activation में you can see, and in activation how this bind antibodies to these structures. Properties: third highest serum Ig, first Ig made by fetus and B cells, fixes complement. Agglutinating Ig binds to Fc receptors, B cells surface Ig. B cells antigens receptors, you can see here IgA, alpha, beta, and gamma, and Ig beta. How they can bind, you can see in structure. Now, serum monomers, secretions, dimer, J chains, secretory and complement. Secretory, P's and J chains. Origin of secretory complement of IgS A. Can see the structures, how can they bind. Now, properties of IgA. Second highest serum Ig. Major secretory Ig is mucosal or local immunity, tear, saliva, gastric and pulmonary secretion, and does not fix complement unless aggregated bind to Fc receptors on some cells. Structures you can see here. Tailpiece means Fc regions, and IgD की प्रॉपर्टी की बात करें तो फोर्थ हाईएस्ट सीरम जी एंड बी से सरफेस इम्यूनोग्लोबिन डज नॉट बाइंड complement and structures monomer extra domain. This is the structure of IgE. लास्ट प्रॉपर्टीज़ की बात करें तो लिस्ट कॉमन सीरम IgA बाइंड्स टू बेसोफिल्स एंड मास्ट सेल्स एंड डज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड एंटीजन बाइंडिंग. Allergic reactions responsible for allergic reactions, in that it is used IgE. Parasitic infections, helminthus bind to Fc receptors on eosinophil, does not fix complement. So these are about immunoglobulins, structures of immunoglobulins, types of immunoglobulins, and their properties are mentioned here. Okay, thank you all of you.